So what's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Investing with Ralph, where I talk about everything investing and investment. And in this video, I'm going to be doing a follow-up on my best stocks under $5. My previous video, I'm going to be talking about Sundial Growers. Before we move on, don't forget to subscribe. Um, don't forget to click on the notification bell beside the subscribe button. If you see this on Facebook, like, share, and comment. Also follow the page. All right, I'm going to move on now. In my previous video, this one right here, best stocks under $5, just do me a favor and like it like this, so YouTube knows that you kind of enjoyed the video and it was insightful. It helps me too. Thank you. So you see that the list in the description below, in the description in the video, you see that there is a list there, and Sundial is the first stock on the list. So I took an interest in Sundial, not because of the price, which is like $0.7, obviously, but because of the industry. It's in the marijuana industry. And if you are familiar with me and my channel, or me on social media, which is just Twitter, you would know that I have been talking about marijuana being an underrated industry. It's an underrated industry at the moment to me. Okay, so let's move on. This is Sundial Growers, and their stock is $0.7. Now, that's the best part, but there's also something I discovered. I'm just going to go into why I like this stock, what I don't like about it, and so you can balance everything out. So I'm just going to go to their website. So the first thing you'll notice about their website, let me refresh, because the first thing you will notice about their website is them telling you to check out your age or so that they'll find out if you are 18 or not, which is good, which never works anyways, but then it's still a good thing. At least they're following protocols and stuff. But then I went into checking out their products, their brands and stuff. So they actually have like drugs, which are natural drugs. Natural drugs, I think, one, two, three, four, five. Yeah, so these are natural drugs. Let me go to the website directly. Just open it up. So these are natural remedies produced by Sundial. But then what I actually noticed was this top leaf, which is marijuana you can smoke. If you notice in my video about marijuana industry, Jay-Z was has a company that actually sells marijuana just like this. I think it sells for 250. So don't forget to check out that video. Description should be it should be up here somewhere or in the description. So $250 or so per case, up to $500 or $1,000, something like that. But that's not why I'm here doing this video. So this is actually a good start for them. They have products that they're selling. And what also took my interest was their financials right here. Their financials, they are 2019, 2020, and 2021, which is first quarter, which is like first 4 months of this year, first 3 months of this year. So I decided to go check out their financials, and I did notice something. This is their 2019. All on their website, so you can go check it out. I'm going to drop their website link in the description, so please, you could check out whatever I'm talking about in this video in the description. It's going to be there. There was an increase in their assets, their total assets. So it moved from 2018 to 2019. They had like a plus 400% increase in their assets, which is a good thing. Then in 2020 they kind of got hit. Who didn't? Come on. Okay, not really 2020. Yeah, in 2020 they got hit, so because of corona and stuff. So I would not really hold it out on them and stuff. But I would say, well, you know the market was not fair to everyone involved. So they had a drop in their total assets right here, from 500, I think, to 294 or so. But then they had a drop in their income. I think 3,000, about 3 million, about 300,000 less or so. I think so. About 3 million less or so. Yeah, 3 million less. Where is that stuff? Okay, let me not go past it. But it's just right there. You could check out that. If you know how to read financial statements, you probably you if you know how to read financial statements, okay, they had an increase in their cash at hand, in their net cash at hand. So which is a very good thing. But I'm trying to look at is their profits I'm looking for here. Net cash and operating activities. Yep, they had a drop here. Net cash used in investing, okay, they had a drop. Net cash at hand, they had an increase, cash at hand. But I'm trying to look for their income. Where is that statement? Okay, okay. Oh God, my network is kind of bad, so everything is slowing up. But then the matter is that they kind of had a reduction due to 2020, so I blame that on Corona. But this is what their 2021 statement right now is looking bright, because guess what? They kind of increase in their total assets from like 200 to about a 200 million to about a billion, which is right here, their net assets. So you can see these people are having growth, and coupled with the fact that they are in a growing industry. Um, my biggest worry with this company is that they what's the word I'm looking for? They are producing regular drugs, not regular per se, but natural drugs, and so many other companies are producing organic drugs. I am very very careful with drug companies. I'm very very careful. If I'm okay with the marijuana aspect product of theirs, and being a Canadian company where um marijuana is like legal, I'm cool with it. But when you talk about the drug aspect, I am not happy. I'm not comfortable with it. But I do like the stock, like no joke. I do like the stock. So I love it. I like it. I like the price. I love their statement, their financial statement. It's well, it sits right with me. So will I buy this? Yes, I'll buy it. But then I'll keep watching it because of the other drugs they sell. But this whole increase in assets and stuff, it pleases my soul. So thank you, and that's all at the end of the video. Don't forget to like, please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. All right, guys, I will be out. See you in my next video.